everyone, I am Buddy's Artwork and welcome to today's video. Today we are drawing number 1 Knucklehead Ninja Luffy from Naruto. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. You are more than welcome to join the progress, so go and grab a pencil and start drawing. This week I am drawing Naruto from Uzumaki from the series. Because everyone enjoyed my Killyu piece from last week, so I am doing the same, but with different character, but the same art style from last week. I did have a second artwork for this, but when I went through the inking on the last part of the character, which is supposed to be on the right side, is that the eyes looked a bit googly and I can't look at the mistakes as I already inked the artwork, and that's the really bum side of it. And I had to go with this one, which I am doing right now. This one is pretty good, but some parts of the second one looked a lot more better than some part of this artwork. So yeah, but I still like it. Sorry about that, I'm yawning. Good God, and anyway, so also later on in the video when I'm starting colouring, the tail around Naruto, is that I could have made the tail look a little bit more darker, because it did not look right with the background, as it looked kind of blended into the background, which I did not want it to do. But it still looked pretty cool. I think the background looked really cool. It looked like a nice sunset to go with Naruto. But I think Naruto as well with its aura around him could have been a little bit more darker or lighter. Yeah. Also, another thing I just realised when I did stage mode Naruto, which I'm doing right now, is that I could have done drawn the eyes instead of colouring them in. It was alright, but I think when I did colour them in, it didn't look as right as I expected to do. I'll probably try this in the future where I'm more confident doing stage mode Naruto eyes than now, because I think I should sketched it in, colour it in, not the other way around. So, what else is there? Also, the Naruto I am doing now, Kid Naruto, that's got lots of love on Instagram, and I didn't expect that to get so much love, but yeah. Also, it's also on my profile picture as well on Instagram, so make sure to check my Instagram out. That's where all the sneaky peeks are at, where you get behind the scenes and stuff. Also, you get some memes on my story, which I will share. Also, share my artwork as well. Pretty cool. And see me drinking coffee. Yum yum yum. If anyone's got any suggestions what character I could do next in this art style, you're more than welcome to comment down below. But I will not be doing this style in next Saturday's video because I am trying something out. If you want to know what I am trying out, make sure to check my Facebook page, which is Buddy's Artwork, where I did a live stream what I am doing in upcoming video. It's only the sketch part, and I'm still working on it now. I'll probably be working a lot more tonight to get it done. Where I probably might start inking Sunday or Monday, depending how quick I could be. So yeah, and I think my coloring's got a lot more better as well. I just want to say that because the colouring looks pretty cool. Also, me I forgot about that. If anyone got to suggest any characters that I could draw in this style for following week, then make sure to comment down below the character you want me to do. I'm only going to do character I don't pick you. It's not because I'm not picking you, it's because I want to do a character that I know. Also, another thing is, anyone who gives me a character will win a shout out in my next video. I will either shout out your YouTube channel, your Instagram, your Twitter. So make sure to comment down your social media as well, so I can shout them out. So yeah, and I think I am done for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoy my content, make sure to smash the subscribe button. If you like today's video, make sure to smash the like button. Did I say that twice? I think I did. I mean, if you enjoy my content, make sure to smash the subscribe button. If you like the video, make sure to smash the like button. And comment down below your thoughts of today's video and a suggestion of a character that I could draw in a future video. And make sure so you can win a shout out. And that's it for today. Make sure to check my social media and my equipment, what I use in today's video, down in the description. And I will see you guys next Wednesday, where I will do another discussion, which is something that's going around YouTube. So that's probably what I'll be discussing about. So yeah.